By the window, that is where I'll be. Come sit down through the tulips with me.
Hey guys, right, so I've made some doors and frames. You can see them behind me a little bit. Yeah, there they are. But we haven't got any hinges, so I'm a tight arse, I ain't buying any. I've got some scraps of steel here and some stainless bar, well, stainless tube. I had Robert Nurden turn those down in his lathe, so they're a good fit. A little bit of plate, fine, just going to be packed with grease and a bit of plate that we'll use to make the flags up with. Now, let's crack on. Okay, so we've got flags cut and prepped as best they need to be. Don't need much more than that. So I'm going to cut these tubes in half. Well, I'm not. I'm going to cut them. They're not quite all the same length. I'm going to cut one end at 50 and then the remainder will be fine. That will create a gap between each flag anyway, so I'll save any contact and removing and hinges operating. So, go and find a pen and mark it down. And now the end is near. It's time to face final curtain. Look who's just arrived!
Peace, brothers!
How you doing, Rob?
Are we recording, man?
Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah. That's my tap dance for the day. Thing is, you can't see who I am because the light's behind me. So.
I got a special filter on, yeah?
No. What's it called?
It's called a bullshit filter. Just fitted it now.
A Kango. Just a man.
Who is it? It's on there, isn't it? Right. They're all cut now, so let's do the sparkly bit. I'm not sure if you can see there. Hang on, let's zoom in. See, you've left this recess. Yeah, and we'll fill that up the weld, give us a bit more penetration on there, because the last thing I want is for that pin to come out. Right, set the welder up. Okay, so this is what we've got now. And we've got to put the flags on. okie dokies. So, anyway, we work like that. See? Right. So that's it. Simple flag hinge. Locked up, really hot. As you can see, there's probably smoke coming off this, and the smell of flesh burning under the gloves, which is always a good effect. I'm gonna start doing Jesus man. Start doing these videos in smell-o-vision. Smell-o-vision would work, wouldn't it? Bloody fantastic. So today we've learned how to make a flag hinge. Oh, and it's still. I'll start that again. Today we learned how to make a flag hinge. I hope it's handy to you. I hope you can make a better flag hinge. We could have a flag hinge challenge, a national flag hinge challenge. I've got a few more to do, so I'll end this video now. But just quick thanks, yeah, to everybody who's subscribed, everybody who's entering into the competition. Keep entering, keep going for it. Anybody can win. So anyway, I've got another 3 of these to make. And drop and stuff. I'm not going to bore you with that. However, I've just lost a fucking crucial part. So, just to remind you guys, giveaway on the 3rd, next month, 3rd of December. Some lucky devil's going to win an amazing belt buckle. Yeah, 3rd of December will be the grand draw. We've made a hinge. Oh yeah, made a hinge.
By the window, that is where I'll become tiptoe through the tulips. Will